Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to organize your work in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to create folders and lists to structure your projects. First, navigate to the space where you want to create your folder. On the left sidebar, click the three dots next to your space name and select Folder, New Folder. Give your new folder a name, like Q3 Marketing Campaign or Client Projects. Now, with your folder open, it's time to add lists. Click the plus button at the top of the folder and select List. Name your list based on the type of work like blog posts, social media tasks, or to-do. You can create multiple lists inside a single folder to keep related work together. For example, a website redesign folder could have lists for design, content, and development. Remember, the hierarchy goes space folder, list tasks. This keeps everything scalable and easy to find. And that's it. By using folders to group big projects and lists for specific work streams, you can organize any workload in ClickUp for free. If you create a new folder, let me know what you're using it for in the comments. See you in the next one.